Rules of the road.
Come on! Dad, let's go! Yeah! Hurry up!
Beautiful day.
Yeah, the amusement park's gonna be packed on a day like today.
Come on, guys! Hurry up!
Right, if we're gonna go, let's hit the road.
Yay! Ready!
Susie! You need to fasten your seatbelt.
No way! I don't want to!
Susie, if you don't buckle up, we're not going anywhere.
These aren't comfortable. I don't want to. Come on! I can't even move!
Now everybody's ready for a big day of fun.
Hooray! Woohoo! Let's go!
I hope they're not all going where we're going.
Dad, when are we gonna get there? Let me out! Let me out!
There must be something wrong.
Yeah, maybe an accident.
Helly, how's the situation out there?
Bad, Poli. Bumper to bumper all the way.
Roger, you take charge of traffic. We're on the way.
I'm on it, Poli. You see anything?
Looks like a big accident. I think we'll be here for a while.
Huh?
Hold it up, please. Okay, you can go, please.
I want some too. Sure. I can't reach.
Come on, Susie, you gotta stretch for it.
Give me. I want it.
Easy. All right, that's enough, Susie. Get back in your seat.
Get off me.
Huh? Susie, oh my goodness, are you all right?
He did it.
Kevin? Why?
It wasn't my fault. It was hers.
Susie, you've got to stop crying.
All done here. How's traffic there, Helly?
Everything's moving freely, Poli.
In that case, we're heading home.
Okay, good job, guys.
Well, traffic's clear, so we should be there in no time.
Dad, I really need to stop.
Can you wait, Kevin? There's no bathroom here.
Too late. It's gonna come out. I can't hold it anymore.
All right, Kev, I'll pull over here.
What's going on?
Kevin! Not that side!
Emergency!
Boy, Terry's in trouble.
That was a close call, Kevin.
You okay, Kevin?
Yeah.
Luckily, Roy and I are used to handling emergencies. That's what we do.
It's my fault. I shouldn't have parked where I did.
Why don't I go over some of the very important auto safety rules?
That'd be great, Poli.
First, you should use the sidewalk side when you get in and out of a car. It's dangerous to use the road side because it puts you in traffic and could create an accident. Second, it's the rule to always fasten your seatbelt whenever you're in a car. Whether you're in a booster seat or a regular seat, you must buckle up. Remind adults it's the rule too. Third, remember that children should always sit in the back seat. The front seat's the most dangerous place to be if accidents happen. It's even more dangerous for children to sit in someone's lap in the front seat. Without the protection from a seatbelt, serious accidents can happen. And kids, never fight or play rough in a moving car, okay?
Okay.
Thanks, Poli. We won't forget.
We're finally here!
Yahoo!
Are you okay?
What's wrong?
Is it safe to get out of the car now?
Oh, yeah!
You go ahead.
Huh? Huh?